your girl Candace, and for today's Vlogmas, it is going to be me sharing with you guys a couple of Christmas drinks that I've been trying out. If you haven't been following me along, I have been doing Vlogmas every day, and I will continue to do Vlogmas up until Christmas Day. And I thought I would do something different. I have been having not really interesting things to do since it's finals week, so the last few vlogs have been kind of just boring. So I thought I would do something different for Vlogmas Day 7 by giving you guys a few Christmas recipes to try out. I have 4 festive holiday drinks that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. I have 4 festive holiday themed drinks that I'm going to be sharing with you all. I love all of these drinks. I honestly can't pick which one is my favorite. I'm really excited to share these recipes with you all. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So this refreshing drink is probably one of the easiest drinks to make. You want to go ahead and add some crushed ice to a glass. You're going to take some cranberry juice and add a little bit of vanilla syrup to it. You're going to mix that all together, pour it into your glass, and top it off with sparkling cider. I garnished this with some rosemary. I think some cute cranberries on top would really make this drink pop. This next drink is probably my favorite out of all of them. You want to make this by starting to heat up some milk of your choice. I'm just using regular whole milk. Add in some caramel sauce, some sea salt flakes, as well as a little bit of splash of vanilla extract. Don't judge me, I am using packaged hot cocoa, but you can use chocolate if you prefer. You want to mix that together, add it to a glass, top it off with some whipped cream and some more caramel, and you have this delicious salted caramel hot chocolate. This next drink is for all my coffee lovers. This drink is so bomb, and I kid you not, it tasted just like a sugar cookie. You want to start off by cutting up your white chocolate and melting it down at 30-second intervals in the microwave. Then you're going to go ahead and rim your glass and add on some cute sprinkles. Once you do that, you bring your milk to a boil on the stove, adding in some vanilla extract, some almond extract, and some butter extract. These extracts combined is what gives you the sugar cookie flavor. You're going to add in sugar, mix it together, and once it's heated, you're gonna brew your coffee, pour that into your cup, but don't spill it like me. Top it off with your heated milk, and then add some whipped cream on the top for an extra sugary garnish. And of course, this sugar cookie latte wouldn't be anything without a Santa cookie. The final drink is a classic vanilla chai tea latte. I went ahead and heated up my water and added my chai tea bag, and then I heated up some oat milk with a splash of vanilla syrup, topped it off after I frothed it, added some cinnamon, and added a cinnamon stick for garnish. So that is it for my festive holiday drink video. Thank you for coming along with me today. That will be my video for Vlogmas Day 7. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you give these drinks a try. If you do, make sure you comment down below and tell me which one is your favorite. Thank you so much for joining in with me today. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up for your girl. Please comment, share, subscribe. Stick around for a while because I'd love to have you, and there's lots more fun videos to come. I will see you for Vlogmas Day 8. Love you guys. Peace.